Welcome to Motivational Minute here on the Writers Atelier channel. My name is Racquel Henry. I'm going to give you guys a pep talk in a 60-second video. So I actually just posted a quote on the Writers Atelier page that said progress looks different for everyone. And that got me thinking, because I'm sure I'm not the only writer that's looking around and wondering if I'm making enough progress. Sometimes progress looks like finishing a manuscript. Sometimes progress looks like finishing your word count for the day. Sometimes it looks like sending a newsletter out. So I just wanted to remind you guys that if that's you, if you are on social media and you're seeing all the success of other writers and wondering if you are making enough progress, you absolutely are. If you are doing things to move your writing forward and to get towards your eventual writing goal, then you are doing perfect. All right. So I hope you liked this video. Please like, subscribe, share, and join us next week for another motivational minute. Thanks so much for being here in the Writers Atelier community. Bye.